Hello everyone, it's Annette here. I'm showing you my process creating a fun layout for the July challenge from Pinkfresh Studio. It's all about summer and fresh colors. I saw this idea with the cutout letters and the curled parts in Pinterest. Several paper artists use this technique, and I thought it would look awesome on a layout too. I didn't want to make a perfect letter, so I just doodled them myself. First I made a rough sketch, and then it developed slowly. At the end I used a ruler so the letters are the same height. And I just started to cut with a craft knife. Do it really loose, don't overthink it. I did not cut all the edges, I left the ones I wanted to curl up uncut. And I also left a little tail there. This is the part I'm going to curl up. I decided to use the yellow paper as my background. I just love yellow and it is the color of summer, I think. I wanted this layout to be colorful and really happy and bright, so I took my Pinkfresh premium dye inks and colored the little tails on the back side. This way, if I curl it up, the color shows. I looked for colors matching the challenge and my photo. Pink, yellow, green and aqua and blue. I simply used the ink pad and colored the paper. Don't go for perfection. I think it is much better if you do it loose and if you have fun. I erased my pencil lines and tested my idea with the colorful curls. And I think it looks great, so let's add some more color. Be loose with the curling too. Curl it to the right here and to the left there, and it looks better if it's not all the same. First I curl it tight and then I loose it up. I just used a painting brush as it was the thinnest. If the tail is too long, just cut it shorter. As I love dimension, I cannot live without it, so I use foam tape on the back side. Yes, I know it is a lot of work, but I think it's so worth it. You can use pieces of cardboard if you don't have foam or anything else to raise it up. I had the idea to trim it smaller, the layout, and this way the yellow background creates a frame around the layout. I doodle stitching effect with colorful pens around the letters. The cut edges look more finished this way. I used an older photo from us back in 2012. We live near Balaton. This is the biggest sweetwater lake in Europe. And we have a little boat and we often go with it, enjoying the nature and the water. My son was 1.5 years old back then. He was just gorgeous. I used embellishments from the Let's Stay Home collection and the ones that are going with the theme and the colors. I really love these little colorful alphas. They are the perfect size to add some sentiments or words to the layout. I used the Hello sentiment die from Pinkfresh Studio. I cut it several times and adhere them together. And this builds my title, Hello Summer. As finishing touch, some colorful enamel dots and my comment, and I think I'm ready. I hope you like it. I think it's really fun. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. I'm so happy about your comments under my videos. This way I know it's worth to make it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button to get notification when we upload new videos. I hope to see you in my next video too. Bye bye!